Can you imagine adding 20 or even 30 pain-free years to your life? Whether you're dealing with persistent pain or injuries that won't heal, this video will show you how detox, nutrition, and groundbreaking natural methods work together to help you recover your health, reverse aging, and rediscover a vibrant, active life. Hi, I'm Alan Warnitz. I'm a nutrition expert and I've spent years helping people rebuild their health. Let me share how I guide clients through a 3-step process: detox, nutrition, and a revolutionary approach to activating your body's natural healing power. These methods work together to restore your energy, reduce pain, and rebuild what aging has taken away. Let's dive in. Step 1. Detox your body. Detox is essential because our modern diets are loaded with junk that disrupts our internal balance. Start by balancing your acid-alkaline environment. Aim for 80% alkaline foods like leafy greens and fruits, and only 20% acid foods like meats and grains. This balance makes your body an environment where bacteria and viruses can't thrive. Clean your liver. The liver creates glutathione, your body's master detoxifier. However, a fatty or sluggish liver can't do its job effectively. A liver cleanse can boost glutathione production, helping remove heavy metals, alcohol toxins, and harmful residues. Remember, detox sets the stage for your body to heal and regenerate. Step 2. Nourish with the right nutrition. Good nutrition provides your body with anti-inflammatory tools and essential building blocks for repair. Focus on amino acids, from proteins to rebuild muscles, skin, and even hormones. Healthy fats for sustained energy and glowing skin. Omega-3s and vitamins to support cellular function and reduce inflammation. Proper nutrition helps repair adrenal glands, reduce inflammation, and ease pain, allowing your body to recover from injuries more effectively. Step 3. Activate your body's natural healing power. As we age, our body's ability to repair itself slows down, but there's a way to reactivate your dormant healing potential. A unique natural solution can help reactivate your body's stem cells, which rebuild tissues, repair damage, and regenerate joints and cartilage. For example, if arthritis has worn down your joints, this solution helps reduce inflammation and restore mobility and rebuilds your cartilage, giving you a chance to enjoy life pain-free. Now, want to know more? Book a free consultation and I'll share how this can work for you. By following this 3-step formula: detox, proper nutrition, and activating your body's natural healing power, you can reclaim your health and vitality. I've seen these strategies transform lives, and I know they can work for you too. Ready to get started? Let's create a personalized plan for your journey to better health. Book your free consultation today. I look forward to helping you live a life that feels decades younger. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more information